if the member are in tension or compression. Here's our diagram. We have A to D, we have a 4 feet diameter, and B to C have a 4 feet diameter, and we have a force going to the left 45 lb, and we have a D to C, we have a height of diameter 4 feet. So first we're going to get the angle of each side. To get the angle of this side, we have a beta plus tangent inverse tangent times 4 over 4 plus the 45 degree. So we have a 4 over 4 process. If you draw a triangle, we have a 4 feet this area and 4 feet in this area. Okay. We have a 4 degree. And going to solve the joint A, we have a FAD going downward, and we have a 45 degrees, and we have to do it, and we have a FAB going to right. So first we're going to get the summation of Fy equals to 0. We have a 2 to 5 minus FAD sine 45 equals to 0. FAD is 318.20 lb compression. We're going to get the summation of Fx equal to 0. We have a FAB minus 318.20 cosine 45 equals to 0. Our FAB is 2 to 5 lb and tension. And second, we're going to get the joint B, and we have an FAD going to upward and FAB going to left, and we have a 2 to 5 lb since we get the FAB 2 to 5 lb. And to the right, we have the FBC. And first we're going to get the Fx equals to 0, solution of Fx. We have FBC minus 2 to 5 equals to 0, or FBC is 2 to 5 and eventually. And second, we have summation of Fy equals to 0. Since FBD force sa y-axis, and I'm here, itong FBD is 0. So, the last is joint A. We have FAB going upward at 318.20, and we have FCD going downward, and we have angle 45, and we have force of 450 lb. And to get the summation of Fx equal to 0, we have FCD cosine 45 plus 318.20 times cosine 45 minus 450 equals to 0. Our FCD is 318.20. And lastly, is the diagram. Going to, since we have our joint A diagram, FAD, on the horizontal force, we have 318.20. Kasi ang atong FAD kay almost yung compression. And I have angle 45. And our FAB, 225, our FAB is going to the left. So the member of the FAB is 5 tension. And we have our joint B, we have our FBC 2 to 5 going to the left side. And going to the left side, so our FBC is tension, so 2 to 5 lb. And our joint B, FAD going to downward 318 with 20, and this one is compression. We have a 45 lb, and FCD, our FCD is going downward, so our FCD is 318.20 and tension. Any question?
So, ano naging sa summation of Fx kay
Nakuha ko yung 3.20 since our FAB na natay nasobo din na FAB na 3.20 bago na siya game of the day. Paano ito ang FCD? So, natay FCD cosine 45 and plus times 3.20 cosine 45 minus 45, 450 equals to 0. FCD is 3.